but really a lot of it is just getting that shot volume up and getting more on net.
Backlund and Johnson on the draw, 50-50. Johnson comes up with it. Looks to make a play to Sergachev well at the right point. Sweeps to Kucherov, left circle. Center point, Mikhail Sergachev. Fire, score! I believe Johnson in the slot tipped that. Definitely changed directions. The Lightning get a power play goal and lead 1-0 with 6 away left in the first.
And there it is. A great face-off win comes right to Mikhail Sergachev. He gets it right on net. Traffic in front. Cirelli and Johnson there. He sees them, and that puck just trickles down past Rittich. Well done by Tyler Johnson, getting a piece of that one in the back of the net. Lightning lead 1-0.
Cross ice, but it's going to be held into the left point by Hanifin. Left corner Mangiapane, centers it Tkachuk. Cross ice feed is in the net. Now Sergachev is saying no goal. It went in off a skate, but the question is who kicked it in, and was it a distinct kicking motion?
It was difficult to tell, too, if Sergachev felt he was held up a little bit.
I think,
but
he kicked that. That's no goal.
Yeah, he went almost between the legs of Mikhail Sergachev to kick that in, so right away Sergachev turns his head over to the official to signal that there's no way that's going to count.
It has to be a distinct kicking motion, but there is little doubt.
To review, the puck is kicked in, no goal.
Yeah. Feed Anthony Cirelli across the Calgary line, left point. A feed to right circle Palat. Center point Sergachev, left circle Kucherov. Cross ice Palat, right circle shot, score! Well, Andre Palat had changed for Braden Point. So he's a lefty shot of the right circle. First he passed up a shot attempt, but then it came back to him and he zipped it home. The Lightning are 2 for 2 on the power play and lead 2-0.
Great heads-up play by Nikita Kucherov, too. He's got the no-look pass going, and they get that open cross-ice look. Andre Palat receives it and right away puts it in on Rittich, and it trickles in the back of the net. Well done by the Lightning power play. We've been struggling, but not tonight. 2 power play goals leads the Flames.
Again, left circle shot, save made by Vasilevsky. Bogosian chops it up the far side, and it's out of the zone pocket for Yanni Gourde. Penalty almost up. Gourde across the blue line, right circle. Shoot, score! Short-handed goal, Yanni Gourde! It came with 3 seconds left in the penalty. After Rittich made the breakaway save on Goodrow, and the Lightning had another close call rush, Yanni Gourde scores short-handed to make it 3-0.
Yanni Gourde has certainly found his scoring touch now. Great job by Paquette, trying to bring his defenseman to the net with him, create as much space as he can, but a beautiful far side shot by Yanni Gourde beats Rittich. The Lightning have a 3-0 lead, and the special teams are on tonight.
2 Lightning players collided right at the bench. Lucic might have been involved in that too. Gustafsson to center ice, dumps it in by the Lightning net. Here's Coburn. Left side feed, Blake Coleman at center. Across the line, Killorn open in front. Score! Killorn! Boy, what a move. He went forehand to backhand and chipped it in. The Lightning get a goal back. It's 4-2. Tampa Bay with 5:03 left in the second.
Well, the goals just keep coming here. Alex Killorn in the right place, right time, but a nice feed up the ice by Blake Coleman. He sees Killorn going to the net with speed, and a beautiful move, as you said, Dave. Forehand, backhand, and up over the left pad of Rittich. The Lightning have recaptured a 2-goal lead now. Alex Killorn with 24 goals on the season.
Won by Lindholm. Anderson launches it up the middle. Tkachuk fires it in. A shot from Monahan to the left circle, blocked by Sergachev. This one is over. The Lightning have snapped their 4-game losing streak with a very solid win against an excellent opponent. They beat the Flames by a final score of 4-3.